In the second part of this installation guide, I will demonstrate the procedures that are required by the setup app. What you need to do is install our Android application from Google Play Store. Once you enter the Google Play Store, you can look for the key term Predictor4 Easy Setup in order to find our application. After you download the Predictor4 Easy Setup app, you will be prompted to enter a username and password initially. After you enter your username and password, which is same as the dashboard username and password, you will click on Login. And then you will see that this barcode scanner has opened up. And now in this step, what you need to do is to scan the QR code that is located on the label of Predictor4 device. And once the scan is successful, the app will automatically put you in the next step. In this step, please notice that your device will be connected to the same network Wi-Fi that your Android is currently connected to. And after seeing the SSID of the network, you need to enter the password for your Wi-Fi over here, and then you will click on Confirm and press the reset button on your P-Cube device. And now you will notice another pop-up opening which says Predictor4 is configuring, and please wait for a moment. This procedure will take around a couple of minutes. After this step is done, the application will prompt to ask you to take a picture of the machine nameplate, and it gives you an example. After you take the first set of picture, you will be asked to take a photo from whole machine and its support foundation. After that procedure is done, you will click on Next, and you will be guided to the next page where the direction mapping of your device, question with regards to direction mapping of your device is asked. So you will click on horizontal or vertical. And you will enter the questions which are asked with regards to the direction mapping of how you installed P-Cube on your machinery. After this step is done, you will take a photo of the installed device on the machine, and that will be the last step. And you click on Next. And now the setup app is complete. In order to complete the whole procedure, you will click on Finish and click on the Reset button on your P-Cube device. And now in the next segment of this video, I will demonstrate how this procedure is hands-on.
Login. Now we are going to scan. Scan is complete. And now we're trying to sync the P-Cube with our Wi-Fi network. So we click on Confirm after we ensuring that our SSID and password are correct. Click on Confirm, and now we click on the reset device immediately, reset button. And now we wait for a couple of minutes. We need to take a picture of our machine nameplate. I'm just taking some test pictures. This is the direction mapping. Now in the last step, it's asked to take a picture of the whole machine and the device. And now setup app is complete. We will click on finish and we will reset the device.